Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zakwan. Basically, I'm going to proceed in doing my task 3 from mini project IoT 2. As you can see here, the requirement from the question for the task 3 is to create a virtual environment and activate install a Flux and PyMongo module from from the Flux app.py file, import and call a function accordingly that are created in the GPIOM's under GPIOM's MongoDB module in task 2. That means this task 3 will be using a file or this task 2 file that we create and continue on post on this task 3, and then develop a RESTful API to perform for HTTP method get, post, put, patch, and delete, and then test the RESTful IP using the VS Code with Thundercurrent extension. Now, without further ado, I'm going to start doing. First thing first, you need to access to your file. As the file that I'm going to use is the file is the file that I use from task developed from the task 2, which uh, this is my file mini IoT 2. Now from here we're going to check the what inside this file. So everything, sorry, yeah, here I have my task 2 file here, and I'm going to proceed on inserting the Python function. Fish. Okay, now everything is in check. I'm going to check again. As you can see here, this is the file that we just insert. After that, after inserting, we need to active this file by typing png fish. Script active. Then now it's already been active. To know that, just look at this back here. Now after that, after active, going to install a file which py mongo plus. Okay, this is a good sign, means everything has been downloaded. it's green. If it's red, something is going wrong. So now I'm going to proceed on doing some checks, which I need to type. As you can see here, this is all the file that we need in order to all the file we need the to code for the task 3 question. And then we're going to install the Flask. Okay, and in order to sebagai untuk mengelak daripada masalah, dia akan buat debug dulu. Aduh ya Allah. Maybe, just maybe I need to. Okay. Just going to run. Everything seems fine. And we'll open this one. Then we go in here. Copy this. No problem. Go back to from. Try again. There we go. Okay, we need this link here. And then open some window. Uh, okay, open new. There we go. So it works like it should and like we want it to. So what we type here will be passed here. Now that we're going to continue on doing our code. Okay. One, two, six, and 5, and we press, and then on the MongoDB, so we can connect to MongoDB. We need to import it. Wait on create update and delete. Okay, for this import, it's actually what you type in your task 2. For like my code here, my define is create or they delay. It depends on what you type on the MongoDB GPIOMS MongoDB. So in order to work, you need to write back. You need to know what you write in here. So this one, I one. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Okay, define hello world. For this one, we're going to change it to what GPIO, but we can delete this one. Will not going to be needed anymore. But instead, we're going to type what we going to use. New dot request request JSON create new document JSON message okay. This one will be function as post copy. To make it easy, I'm going to copy this route method and to change from post to get. And read on this one won't need. Okay, this one will function as get all. This one I'm going to insert a bit more. INT ID method get. This one will be read as we will read the ID. And this one will change as read ID. Oh, print documents. Alright. And I'm going to make the function as get one. The next one is put and fetch. This one will function as food. Need to change to new data request.json. I'm going to change this to the ID and new data. This one is JSON the message is going to be update untuk ID ID. The last one is the delete. So just delete and change the ones. This one to 3 delete to of course this one we do is down down ID. You won't be needing this, and the update going to change to delete. Lastly, change this one bisa kepada data ID ya. Okay, this run. Yahoo! Now, going to proceed on going to Thunder client and do a new request. Okay. For this thunder client, first thing we need to do is to delete this. Then and need to open, copy this, and go back to what we typed. Here, this I'm going to copy this one, and put here. Enter. So as you can see here, all of this is my previous data from the GPIOMS MongoDB, which actually has been uploaded to this MongoDB Compass. Here is all the data that I get, that I have, and if you want to update or delete or another things you want to do about this data, you want to disturb about this data, you can just simply go here to the GPIOMS MongoDB. You can change right here. Either you delete what you type in this data Mongo Compass. So this one, after you insert this, you will be needing this after. So first thing first, going to tell as content type, and this one we're going to do application JSON. After insert this, and go to body, take one of these data, insert to the body, and this one you have to delete, and try send. So from this ID here, we can select on how much how we want to change. We can by select what we have been insert here. For example, I'm going to put 34, 34. Hmm. Then to select, we can just this one as the ID. Going to Right. Let's have to run this one. And the API something. See, then copy this. See, open the website window. Now, as you can see here, all the data that has been typed from MongoDB will be showing here. We so it depends on how you type. See here. Alright, by set actually there might be some problem with my code. We can extend it later. But if you insert one of these by slash 123, the ID will be will be shown depends on what you type. Like if you insert ID1, it will show only ID1 in the window here. Only show this one, and the rest will not going to exist. So that's all for today. Thank you.